Paris is a city rich in history, culture, and beauty, offering a wide range of amazing things to do and see. Here are some of the top attractions and activities in Paris. But before further visiting the city, consider to subscribe the channel and also like and share the video with other friends. A visit to Paris is incomplete without seeing the iconic Eiffel Tower. You can enjoy stunning views of the city from its observation decks. Explore one of the world's largest and most famous art museums, housing incredible works like the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. Admire the Gothic architecture of this magnificent cathedral, known for its intricate stained glass windows and impressive bell towers. Visit the bohemian neighborhood of Montmartre, famous for its artistic history, charming streets, and stunning views from the Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Stroll along this famous avenue lined with luxury shops, cafes, and theaters. At one end, you'll find the iconic Arc de Triomphe. Take a relaxing boat cruise along the Seine River, passing by landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower, Notre-Dame, and the Louvre while enjoying the city's beautiful architecture. Located just outside Paris, this opulent palace and its stunning gardens are a must-visit. Marvel at the extravagant interiors and explore the vast estate. Known for its breathtaking stained glass windows, this medieval chapel is a hidden gem on the Isle de la Cité. Discover an extensive collection of Impressionist and Post-Impressionist masterpieces, including works by Monet, Van Gogh, Renoir, and Degas. Explore this trendy neighborhood with its narrow medieval streets, historic buildings, art galleries, fashionable boutiques, and delicious food. Experience the lively atmosphere of the Latin Quarter, filled with bookstores, cafes, and historic landmarks like the Pantheon and the Sorbonne. Descend into the underground ossuary, a network of tunnels filled with the remains of millions of people, offering a unique and eerie experience. Remember that Paris has so much more to offer beyond these highlights, such as charming neighborhoods, delightful street markets, world-class cuisine, and a vibrant art scene. Enjoy getting lost in the city and discovering its many hidden